In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gann fan tool in MetaTrader 5. The Gann fan is a classic tool for analyzing trend strength and identifying dynamic support and resistance using the relationship between price and time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to place it accurately, fine-tune its settings, and adjust or remove it with confidence. First, open MetaTrader 5 and load a market you want to analyze, such as a major currency pair. From the Market Watch or your list, select the instrument and open a new chart window so you have a clean workspace. Make sure the chart is visible and scaled so that recent swing highs and lows are easy to spot. These will be your anchor points. Next, select the Gann fan tool. You can find it through the top menu by going to Insert, then Objects, then Gann, and choosing Gann fan. If you prefer using the toolbar, click the Gann tools icon and select Gann fan from there. Either route gets you the same drawing tool. Now let's place the fan. Click once on a meaningful swing point. In an uptrend, that's typically a major low. In a downtrend, it's usually a major high. After clicking your starting point, drag your cursor along the direction of the trend to the next significant point, then release. The fan will appear with multiple angled lines radiating from your chosen anchor. These lines act like diagonal support and resistance, helping you gauge whether price is accelerating, decelerating, or respecting specific angles. To draw it correctly in an uptrend, start at a prominent low and drag upward to a higher point in the move so the fan aligns with the trend's trajectory. In a downtrend, start at a prominent high and drag downward to a lower point, keeping the fan aligned with the direction of weakness. The key is choosing clear, well-defined swings so the angles reflect the market's rhythm rather than minor noise. You can customize the fan to match your analysis style. Right-click on the fan and open Properties. Here, adjust the angles to emphasize the ratios you rely on, tweak the colors for visibility against your chart background, and change line styles to make primary angles bolder than secondary ones. A well-contrasted setup makes it easier to see which angles price is reacting to. If you need to refine your placement, simply drag the anchor points to reposition the fan without starting over. And when you're done with it, select the fan and press Delete to remove it and keep your chart clutter-free. That's it, clean, precise, and ready for analysis.